John Mwangi shows us how he constructed his own straight-cut gas rod machine as a Kenyan mechanical engineer. He says, "The idea was to get a fast, automate, and low-maintenance system that can work the vast majority of the day without major expenses and labor." He utilized readily available metals and springs which are taken care of straightforwardly into the machine's motor. It is very modest from purchasing the machine. The gas rods are utilized in welding onto other metallic items like doors, iron sheets, broken spades, and so forth. Clients and friends saw what he built, and now he makes and assembles mechanical machines for them as well. This is incredible on the grounds that it has empowered him to make a living and employ others as well.